Hello, and welcome to my English learning podcast. My name is Tom, and I am your friendly teacher today. This episode will help you practice buying tickets in English. It is a very useful skill for traveling around the world. We will explore different real-life situations together in this lesson. First, I will show you how to buy a cinema ticket. Then, we will visit a busy train station for a trip. After that, we will get tickets for a live music concert. Finally, we will go to a museum and a theme park. Learning English is fun and easy when you practice with me. You will learn excellent phrases for your next summer vacation. Please listen carefully to my words and my clear pronunciation. You can repeat the sentences after me to practice speaking. Do not worry if you make mistakes during the practice. Every mistake is just a normal step closer to fluent English. I always enjoy helping students improve their basic communication skills. Today, we focus on simple words and very clear questions. You need to know how to ask for prices and times. It is also good to understand the answers of the seller. Are you ready to start this useful lesson with me today? Grab a cup of coffee and a notebook for new words. Let's explore the first scenario together in our minds. Imagine you're standing in front of a modern ticket office. The sun is shining and you want to see a film. The person behind the counter is waiting for your question. You smile and walk closer to open the conversation nicely. Here is how a simple conversation in English looks like. Listen to my voice and try to remember the phrases. Let's dive straight into our very first practical dialogue. We are starting with a trip to the local cinema. Imagine I am the tourist first. Hello, I would like a ticket, please. Then the cashier answers, Good afternoon. Which movie do you want? The tourist says, I won't watch the new comedy at 5. The cashier replies, Let me check the available seats for you. We have some great seats left in the back row. The tourist asks, Is the back row good for the screen? The worker says, Yes, it gives a perfect view of everything. The tourist answers, That sounds wonderful. I will take one ticket. The cashier asks, Do you prefer standard or VIP options? The customer wonders, What is the difference in the price? The cashier says standard is $8, VIP is $12. The tourist decides, I prefer the standard option today. Thank you. The cashier asks, Do you have a student discount card? The tourist explains, No, I'm not a student. I am traveling. The worker says, That is fine. The total is $8. The customer asks, Can I pay with my credit card here? The worker replies, We accept all major cards and phone payments. The tourist says, Perfect. Here's my card for the terminal. The cashier says, Please hold your card near the screen, please. The payment is successful, and here is your paper ticket. The tourist asks, Thank you. Which screen is the comedy in? The cashier points. You need to go upstairs to room 3. The tourist asks, Is there a place to buy drinks nearby? The worker answers, The snack counter is around the left corner. They have fresh popcorn, sweet soda, and cold water there. The customer says, Excellent, I will grab food before the movie. The cashier smiles. Enjoy the show and have a nice day. The tourist answers, Thank you for your help. Goodbye to you. This is a very typical conversation for a cinema visit. Let's move to our next transport location right away. I am at the train station ticket window for you. The railway worker says, Good morning. How can I help you? I say to him, Hi, I need a ticket to London. The worker asks, Are you traveling today or booking for tomorrow? I answer, I need to depart this morning as fast as possible. The seller says, "The next express train leaves in 15 minutes." I reply happily, "That is perfect timing. Is it a direct train?" The clerk answers, "Yes, it goes straight to the city center." Then he asks, "Do you want one-way or a return ticket?" I explain, "A return ticket is better because I come back tonight." The clerk asks, "Do you prefer first class or second class?" I ask him, "What is included in the first class price?" He answers, "You get bigger seats and free hot drinks there." I say, "It sounds comfortable, but second class is enough today." The clerk says, "No problem. Second class is also very clean." I ask the final price. "How much does it cost total?" He responds, "The total price for the return is £40. I say, "Here's a £50 note for the train fare." The clerk says, "Thank you. Here is your change of £10. I ask for directions. "Which platform does the train leave from?" The man answers, "Your train departs from platform number 9 today." I ask, "Do I need to validate this ticket before boarding?" He explains, "No, the conductor checks it inside the train cabin." I ask, "Is there a screen with the stops on the train?" He says, "Yes, every carriage has an electronic information board." I say, "Thank you for the information. I appreciate your help." The clerk says, "You are welcome. Hurry so you don't miss it." I answer, "I will walk fast to the platform right now." "Oh, wait, I mean immediately." That was a great dialogue for booking your train journeys. Next, I want to show you how to buy concert tickets. I am walking to the big music arena ticket booth. The seller greets me. "Welcome to the concert ticket office. Hello." I ask her, "Hello, are there tickets left for the rock show?" She says, "Yes, we still have a few spaces available tonight." I say, "I am so happy to hear that. It is great." She asks, "Where would you like to stand or sit tonight?" I answer, "I want to be as close to the stage." The girl says, "We have standing tickets in the fan zone." I ask, "That sounds exciting. What is the fan zone price?" She says, "One ticket for the standing area is €55. I ask, "Are there any good seats instead of standing all evening?" She explains, "Sector B has chairs, but it is further away." The price for Sector B is €45 for tonight. I think about it and say, standing is more fun. I will take 2 tickets for the standing zone, please. She asks, "Are both tickets for adults or for children?" I answer, "They are both for adults. My friend is coming." She says, "Great, that will be €110. I ask, "Can I pay with my smartphone digital wallet here?" She answers, "Yes, just tap your phone against the black terminal." I do it and say, "The green light is on the screen." She hands them over. "Here are your entry tickets and receipt." I ask, "What time do the main stadium gates open tonight?" She says, "The security team opens the doors at 6 o'clock. The actual music show starts at 8 o'clock in the evening." I ask, "Is it allowed to bring big professional cameras inside?" She warns me, "No, large cameras are forbidden by the band." I reply, "Thank you for telling me. I will use my phone." She says, "Yes, smartphones are totally fine for photos and videos." I say goodbye. "Thank you for your assistance. Have a nice evening." Let's practice at the museum counter with my voice. The museum worker says, "Good day. Welcome to our art exhibition." I say to her, "Hello, I want to buy 1 ticket." She says, "The standard adult entry is €15 today." I ask, Does this include the temporary photography room? She answers, no, that room requires an extra €5. I say, I want to see it. Here is €20 total. She says, here is your pass and a free map guide. I ask, where does the museum tour experience begin? She answers, please start from room 1 on the first floor. I thank her, thank you. I will explore the history carefully. Now, let's change the location to the fun amusement park gates. The park seller says, hello, welcome to the adventure park. I say to him, hi, I need an all-day pass, please. He says, the unlimited day pass costs $35. I ask, are the scary roller coasters included in this price? He answers, yes, you can ride everything many times today. I say, that is wonderful. My younger brother is with me. He asks, is your brother under 12 years old? I reply, yes, he is 10. Does he get a discount? He says, children under 12 get a 50% discount. His child ticket costs only $17.50. I say, that is a fantastic deal. Thank you very much. He counts. The total for one adult and one child is $52.50. I say, I will pay with cash. Here is $60. He says, thank you. Here is your change of $7.50. Here are your colorful wristbands. Please wear them on your hand. I ask, do we show these bands at every single ride? He says, yes, the staff checks them at the entrance line. I smile. Thank you. We are ready for the fun adventures. Wow. We practiced many excellent real-life situations today. I showed you dialogues for cinemas, trains, concerts, and parks. Let's review some key words from our interesting conversations together. Remember the big difference between one-way and return choices. One-way means you only travel to the new city destination. Return means you travel there and then come back home. When you buy any ticket, always ask for the price. My favorite simple phrase is, how much is it, please? It is also important to ask about the payment methods clearly. For example, you can say, do you accept credit cards? Another good option is, can I pay with my phone? The people at the ticket box are usually very helpful. They always give you the correct platform or room numbers. Do not be afraid to speak English during your travels. Local people appreciate when you try to use their language. Practicing these short phrases makes you feel a lot more confident. You can listen to my podcast episode several times a week. Frequent repetition is the secret key to successful language learning. Next time, try to say the sentences aloud with my voice. Notice how your English pronunciation improves with every single try. I am very proud of your hard work with me today. Learning a foreign language takes some time, patience, and effort. You are doing a wonderful job on your educational journey. Share this useful audio lesson with your friends who learn English. Thank you so much for listening to my instructions today. I hope you found these specific dialogues practical for your life. My next podcast episode will cover ordering food in restaurants. Until that day, keep practicing and stay very positive about learning. This is your host, Tom, wishing you a beautiful day ahead. Goodbye, happy learning, and see you in my next episode.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.